We have over 100 Jaguars here, and today we're making a special point of looking out for Mark IIs. We've got a lovely selection of Mark IIs on display here, so Peter and me are taking the opportunity to record them to let you see the majestic car from the past. Ron, how long have you had the car?
33 years.
Wow, wow.
I know I don't look old enough, but I've had it 33 years.
Look, 33 years is a long time. Certainly it's classics, that's a lifetime. So what year's the car?
1962.
It's a 62, right? And are we a manual or what are we?
It was an automatic, but now it's a 5-speed manual.
Right, it was an automatic, it's now a 5-speed manual. It's a what, 3.8?
3.8. It was, I brought it in as a personal import from California.
Right.
In 91. So it was a left-hand drive automatic. It was a typical American spec. Wire wheels, tinted glass, automatic.
Right. Because I did notice the tinted glass. I thought, wow.
Yeah.
Sometimes you see cars and people have adapters up to what they would want, but certainly with the black colour and the tinted glass, it's got that bad boy look, isn't it? It's like a cops and robbers car, which it catches your eye. Now, do you want a wee look under the bonnet?
Yeah.
Just get the bonnet open, Peter, and we can have a wee look and see what this big cat has got for us. I'll let you open it. The last time we did that, it took me about 2 days to open the bonnet, didn't it, Peter?
Yeah.
And then when I put the bonnet down, I nearly took my fingers off.
Ah,
wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Well done, sir.
Original.
So you've had it for 33 years?
33 years,
yep.
And
I presume when you got it from, was it California?
California.
You must have a lot of work to do to bring it up to this standard.
Well, the engine's been rebuilt,
and
the head has been converted to unleaded.
Okay.
The car has been converted to negative earth. It's fitted with an electronic distributor, 123 distributor.
Okay.
It's been fitted with an alternator as against the original dynamo.
Yes.
It's fitted with the rack and pinion steering, uprated front suspension.
Okay.
A wider wire wheels.
Yeah. What about the brakes on it? What did you?
The brakes have been uprated to 4-pot calipers in the front.
Right.
And the backs have also been uprated. It's just calipers.
So you've got the performance in the car, plus you've also got the brakes and suspension uprated to handle the performance, and it looks a business, doesn't it? I mean, the retro cars from the past are extremely popular today, and when you actually look at this car, you can see why people want to collect them. Let me shut the bonnet. Is there a special way of closing it? No.
Well, I lift that up so and just to clear this.
You see, there's always a wee
technique.
There you
go, there's always a way.
Different. Right, we'll have a wee look round inside the car then. Got a beautiful, beautiful interior. What colour's that? I know it's red, but is there a name for it?
I don't know.
Don't know. Right.
No.
But it's certainly a lovely contrast, the red with the black.
And
as I always say, Peter, the dashboards in these cars and the wood effect is absolutely stunning. I mean, it's what makes Jaguars what they are today. It was a work of art then, and it's still a work of art today. And Ron, I like the steering wheel.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, the trim wheel. It's a nice tactile feel to it.
Right.
Yeah.
And what's it like to drive? Does it feel heavy in your steering to drive?
No, it's got power steering. The car did have power steering, being an American spec, but it was a pump that was driven off the back of the dynamo.
Okay.
And it had the old recirculating ball steering box, which was kind of vague.
But that's far more positive.
Now with the rack pinion, it's very positive and light.
Okay, you can see inside the car there, Peter. You can see the roof lining,
it's lovely.
Lovely. And look at the back seat.
Can you open the back door?
Yeah. Hold on. There we are. That's the door open there, so you can see the inside of the car completely. The black with the red leather and the black carpets, absolutely beautiful. This is what classic car shows are all about. It's all about presenting the car so to its best features, and certainly the Mark II is one of the best looking Jaguars that you can see at car shows. Now the back of the car is always a bit where you look at it, you think, oh I wonder, because sometimes with the retro cars and the older cars, some of the back ends aren't quite so nice looking, but this is nice looking. Okay, busy car, we've got a full boot here because when you come to a show you've got to be prepared and bring all sorts of different things with you, and one of the most important things to bring is chairs. Folding chairs are, that right Ron? They are ideal, they're essential. Not just that, sometimes at the shows the weather's so warm you can't sit in the car, you know, so you actually want to be able to sit outside and enjoy a bit of sunshine.
Very good.
Right.
Well, thanks very much, Ron. Thanks for showing us your car.
Thanks for talking to me. That's it done today.
Thank you.
Everyone's car's there. It's a Jaguar 3.8 Mark II at the Scottish Jaguar Enthusiasts Day at Riverside Transport Museum, and we've had a lovely day.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye. Nice Mark II. And he's parking in front of my XF. (1961) Jaguar Mark II. Parked up next to a 1966 Jaguar Mark II, 2.4 litres. I believe this has just had a respray. It's looking very nice. Okay, there's a very nice Mark II here. I found the owner.
Yeah.
How do you do?
John Forrest.
Hello, John. He's going to show us around the his lovely Mark II.
It's a 1963 3.8 manual overdrive, which is a fully refurbished engine, exterior, interior. It has done various events, went to Windsor Castle, Brenham Palace, done the NC500.
Very good. Can we have a look at the bonnet, at the engine?
Go.
Is that original XK engine?
It's the original engine. It has a 420 front suspension on it for operated brakes and power steering.
Right.
And an operated heater.
3.8 litres.
3.8
Yeah.
manual overdrive.
Very good. Very nice. Can we have a look inside?
Yeah.
That's lovely, isn't it? That
The
yeah.
interior's been redone. As you can see, all the dashes redone. The radio is similar to the old style radio. It has original picnic tables in the back.
Well, thank you very much for showing us your car.
Door shut as it should.
The door's shut well. Go on then.
Just touch them.
There's another Mark II just arriving. That'll be a 1964. That's a 3.8 litre. Another Mark II arriving. 1967, 3.4 litres. British Racing Green, I guess. Oh, it's a 340 that, actually. He's got his own little space reserved. Nice wire wheels. .8 litre Mark II from 1964. Wire wheels. Drive. You can see a nice sports steering wheel. That's lovely, isn't it?
The seat puff is my own.
You've got one?
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
Not here, my car's in Edinburgh.
Oh, right.
That's lovely. I really like that. I think you spent quite a bit of money on that one, to be honest with you.
I think that's been restored to a nice high level, isn't it?
It's got the Coombs louvers and that.
Yeah.
I think it's a Coombs car though, but I'd be surprised if it wasn't very rare.
Hi Peter, I'm here with Gordon at the Riverside Transport Museum. It's Scottish Jaguar Enthusiasts Day. We're having a look round for lovely Mark IIs, and Peter and me have found this lovely Mark II which belongs to Gordon. This car has travelled a bit in its life. Where did it come from again, Gordon?
It came from South Africa, but it wasn't driven from South Africa.
Right, it wasn't driven from South Africa, but it's travelled a bit of a journey. When it arrived, what colour was it?
It was mostly rust, very little colour except rust.
So, the car's all been restored to the top quality show condition. It has one major event, quite a few shows. What's the colour? What do we call the colour now?
Well, we call the colour Scottish Racing Blue, but I think the tin said it was sapphire blue.
Right, so we've got a Scottish Racing Blue Jaguar Mark II. Was it 1965?
1965,
1965. When did you get it?
I got it 5.5 years ago.
Right, so you've had it for 5.5 years. Again, you've done a lot of work to the car. I noticed the seats are rather different. What's the story with them?
Well, the original seats that came with the car were rotten and finished.
Right.
And these are XJ6 seats that have been put into it.
Right, so what we've got here is XJ6 seats in a Jaguar Mark II. They're certainly absolutely stunning looking. They look extremely comfortable, which is naturally what they were designed for. And when we look in the back of the car as well, look at the size of those seats. And it's not just that, with the seats and with the trim and with it having the dark blue carpets on the floor, it's a lovely light and dark contrast. Lovely roof lining there, and of course when we go to the front again and we look at the dashboard, we've got to say what an amazing dashboard. The colours on it and the shine, it's just one of the best features of the Mark II. Now all Jaguars have their own identity and their own originality. When we look at the steering wheel there on the Jaguars owners tend to have their own choice of steering wheels. Now that's a lovely looking steering wheel as well, and it tones in really well with the car and just gives it that drive faster look, one would say. So famously known as the cops and robbers car, the Mark II is a stunning showpiece. Gordon's going to open the bonnet and we'll have a wee look at the engine. Well, here we are, Peter. See, Gordon, can you tell us a bit about the engine and all the different things you've done over the years?
There's been quite a lot done to it. When it came to me, the bodywork had all been done, but not much of the mechanics.
Right.
So the engine was taken down to VSE in North Wales and rebuilt to fast road specification.
Right.
And larger carburetors put on it. Aluminium radiator.
Yes.
There's quite a lot done, and the rear suspension was changed from leaf springs to coil springs.
Right.
As well.
And how do you find that? Does it handle better, or it's just a more comfortable ride?
I don't notice any difference lately on it. But the rear,
an honest answer.
The rear suspension was broken. It was in a mess.
Right. So it had to be.
Something had to be done.
Had to be done. Now, I think you said about the change the steering on it. Have you got power steering?
Power steering, but it was power steering.
It was power steering, right. It's a 65, right. Well, Peter, there we are. There's a one big lump of an engine. Now, I say that in the nicest possible way because when we're showing videos of other Jaguars, the modern Jaguars, you tend to open the bonnet and what you get is just plastic covers all over the place.
Yes,
so
quite sad.
It's sad, and actually it looks like you've got a plastic engine, but what we've got here is a real engine, a real Mark II engine. So I think Peter will take a walk around the car now and take some pictures.
Yeah, well, thanks very much. Thanks for showing us your car.
Thank you for talking to us about your car.
Okay, you're very
nice
welcome.
Indeed. And best of luck in the future. It's won a lot of trophies, this car.
Yeah.
It is a major winner.
I promise to give them back, Ronnie.
Yeah, please do. Please do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah.